Okay, good afternoon. As you already know, this is your US General 5-drawer tool cart with side tray and deep compartment. Got a little visit today from my snap-on guy. As you already know, it's Friday, so you know it's always snap-on Fridays. I'm gonna get into another item that just came in and give a little recap on yesterday's tool haul if you missed the video. So we're gonna get over here basically to the items, but I'm gonna get into the item that was basically received today, which the part number is 310SIMMYA, and this is a 1/2 inch 10-piece metric deep impact socket set that runs from the range of 10mm to 19mm. Okay, as you can see, and you know, if you missed the tool haul yesterday of the items that basically came in the last previous video, which was the mini pick sets, the short mini and the long mini. The short minis are SGASA 204CR, and the long minis are SGLASA 204CR. Also, what I threw in that review was this 1/4 inch 12-piece metric 1/4 inch impact socket set, and as you can see, the item number is 112SIMTMM. This is a 1/4 inch set, as you can see here, and which ranges from 5mm to 15mm. Also, in another review, here you have the item number 310TSM, 1310TSM, which is a 1/2 inch deep chrome socket set, 1/2 inch. I also put in a video, you know, with the 6-piece soft grip combination screwdriver set, and as you can see, the part number is HDX60137R. and as you already know, you got your father and son, the 3/800 tooth snap-on rotor head ratchet and the 72 tooth snap-on rotor head ratchet, you know, to go along with the long list. Of snap-on ratchets, locking and non-locking, flex heads, standard handles, multi-positions. As you can see, the bent handles. Okay. So this is your tool review 5-drawer US General tool cart and snap-on overview for the day. Stay tuned till later, because there will be another follow-up to this video. Okay, peace.